everyone, and welcome to a new day and a new vlog. Henry's on his phone. Mum is here somewhere.
Yes.
Say hi.
Oh.
Ooh.
Just checking in valet parking.
Yeah, we don't need that. We are currently on the parking lot of Animal Kingdom Lodge because I was very keen on showing my mum some giraffes and zebras maybe. We'll have to see what's out there. The weather is glorious, really nice, so hopefully the animals are out. And the very nice cast member called Joshua has let us in. We had a little problem trying to get into the Polynesian a couple of days ago. Even though we had a reservation. Today we don't have a reservation and we got it on the parking lot. So I guess it depends on the cast member and the day and maybe their mood. I don't know. Anyway, we got in. That's the main thing.
Shall we park here?
And Papa Moose is asking where to park because he is a bit indecisive.
No, I'm saying there's plenty of parking here, but it's very far from the entrance.
That's okay. We can walk.
Okay, as long as we can do that.
Yes. Right. So we're going to take Oma to see the giraffes and to see Animal Kingdom Lodge, and we'll see what she has to say about it. Papa Moose, I think you parked crookedly a tiny bit.
Yes, I'm working on it.
We keep saying that he rented a boat because it's that big. It's huge.
It's a yacht.
It's a yacht. It really, really is. Anyway, we can't use a yacht in a hotel though. No, exactly. Right. Next clip is Oma seeing the lobby. And that's going to be a good one. Leave it up to my mum to go and stand on every parking space and in every doorway. She always does it, and then she makes pictures. Anyway, we're here now, and this is her reaction. And Oma, what do you think? Come here, talk to the vlog. What do you think?
Oh, it's beautiful.
It's nice, isn't it?
Like Africa.
Yeah, exactly. It's lovely, isn't it?
To take a lot of pictures.
You do. Come and have a look here, Oma. We can make some pictures later. Come and have a look here. And we'll go outside in a minute. Can you see the grass over there?
Yes.
Yeah, that's where all the animals come. That's
Oh,
the savannah. But we'll go there a little bit later.
Yes.
There's another one. There's a mini moose. Hello. Where's the Papa Moose?
Taking snaps.
Oh, of course. Oma, do you want to go outside?
Yes.
Let's go. Welcome to the savannah, Oma. What can you see, Henry?
I see zebras.
Yeah, zebras. And it's something else?
I don't know what that is there.
Well, let's have a look on the sign. So we've got zebras, we've got giraffes. What else is on here? The roe and antelope. Maybe they're a little bit. I think they're sitting there in the shade.
Yeah, I see it.
Can you see them?
Yeah.
They're a little bit further behind, aren't they? But let's come and have another look because there will be more to see. Oh, they're having an afternoon snooze. Yeah.
They're doing a chill above the water, so it's nice and cool.
It's nice, isn't it? Shall we go and have a look here? Yeah? Oh, there. Look. The pink-backed pelican. With their great webbed feet, large bills and neck pouches, these fascinating birds are superb at catching fish. Burp. Look at them. Oh, he's got an itchy. How wonderful. What do you think?
It's a pity it's from wood. I think I can't take pictures.
Oh, but Kim can.
Kim can. He's
So you-
tall enough.
Exactly. But yeah, we have to be careful with the animals. Huh? So what do you think of this place?
Nice. Very, very beautiful.
What's going on here?
It's just like you're in Africa.
That was the intention, yeah.
that
They call it Savannah View.
was, yeah.
In Flemish we would say uitzicht op de savanne.
It's just,
So we see all the animals that are in the savannah.
yeah.
Hey, rocking chairs.
You ended up here?
Yes, it's in the shade. It's a bit hot.
Yeah, it is.
It's very hot. You enjoying yourself? Is it nice? It's nice, isn't it? Oma in the bar. Is it good? Was it too hot outside, sweetie? It's really hot, isn't it? So we've got a menu here. And, oh, hang on. So this is the Victoria Falls bar. Let me try and put this down and do it this way. Hang on. I am making a mess, guys. I'm very sorry about that. So this is the Victoria Falls bar. Like this and like this. Never mind me, I'm tired. And they've got some really nice cocktails. Right there. And then on the other side you have some finger foods, some wines. Ooh, they have wine flights, that's nice too. And then some beers. It's really nice over here. Right here. And then if you pan to the left a little bit, you've got the restaurant that's called Boma. So that's a buffet style restaurant. And they have some amazing zebra domes. And if you want to see a review of Boma, scroll back to our October 2020 videos. There is a Boma review in there. So we went there last year and it was really, really amazing. This one ate so much food and we had some really nice, like, there's a lot of meats in there and like African inspired food, and it was very, very good. So Oma, what do you have? What do you have?
White wine Stellenbosch.
Ah yes, nice. That's a Chenin Blanc. And you've got cola. I got the, hang on, the white lily with a glow cube. And Papa Moose, what did you get?
Two duels.
What is that?
It's non-alcoholic.
It's a non-alcoholic beer because Daddy's actually driving at the moment, and he's also, oh, I don't want Oma taking pictures on the video. No, he's also taking ibuprofen at the moment for his sore throat.
In half a mile, slight right to stay on Osceola Parkway.
Very rude. Excuse me. Anyway, we're off to Disney Springs, apparently. Let's do it this way. Hi, there you go. We're off to Disney Springs because we have decided that we would like to go and see Boardwalk. We never went to Boardwalk last year, and it's something that I've always
Slight
wanted
right
to see.
stay on Osceola Parkway.
Mickey language.
In a quarter
Oh,
mile, keep left at the fork. Follow signs for Epcot
Oh,
Magic Kingdom.
The sign said something else than the
Okay.
GPS.
Yeah, I caught that on video. That's going online. You heard it here first.
Bleep.
Luckily, I put our vlogs as not for kids.
Left at the fork.
Yeah.
Because we're English and Londoners. Anyway, what was I saying? We are going to...
Quarters of a mile.
She's so rude! We are going to Disney Springs, park up in Orange Garage, that's the plan. And then we are taking a bus to Boardwalk because we want to go and see it. We haven't seen Boardwalk before and just want to go and, you know, check it out. We're just passing Batu, that's
In a
really
quarter
funny.
mile, use the right lane to take the ramp to Disney's Hollywood Studios, Disney Springs.
There you go. And we're also passing Hollywood Tower of Terror, which I'm not going to show you right now because that's still a surprise and we'll go there next time. So today we're doing kind of like a resort day. We've done Animal Kingdom and
Use
then
the
we'll...
right lane to take the ramp to Disney's Hollywood Studios, then keep right at the fork.
So at 9 o'clock there, or around 9 o'clock because the park is closing at 9. So around 9
Keep
o'clock...
right at the fork.
That woman!
This woman!
So there should be some fireworks. I have no idea which fireworks. Maybe
Continue for 3 miles.
Papa Moose knows. Is it Illuminations or something?
Epcot Forever.
Epcot Forever, that's the one.
Yeah.
So there should be some Epcot fireworks which we might still be able to pick up because those are in like less than 2 hours or about 2 hours. So we'll see. We're taking you on a little adventure, YouTube. We've also just put out or uploaded the pre-travel day vlog 2 days ago and it's going remarkably well, so thank you for watching it. And everyone is really excited for an embarkation day vlog, so once you see that, that will have been out. That one will have been out for a while. So we're really excited because people are loving the vlogs that we're uploading at the moment, and that feels good. It's really nice.
And this vlog that's gonna be uploaded is gonna be amazing because it's my birthday vlog.
True, the embarkation day is the birthday vlog.
Yes.
So we do hope that you like that one. It's a good one.
You have to like it.
And if you haven't liked it yet and you see this, go back a couple of vlogs and go and like it.
Look.
Monkey has said so. Do you want to see a dangleway? You know what a dangleway is?
Spaceship Earth is in the background there.
And Spaceship Earth? Well, I don't know, we can't see. But a dangleway basically is a fancy way of saying a skyliner. This is Florida traffic for you guys. You know, you're in the thick of it with us. It's a lot of people.
Well,
If you've
it's
ever
red
been in Greenwich
red light.
in London, it's just like the Emirates airline thing.
Oh yeah.
Yes, so what Henry's saying, there is in Greenwich, North Greenwich actually, we have an Emirates Airlines Skyliner, which we tend to take once in a while because it's quite a lot of fun. Very similar to the dangleway here. And we call it dangleway because it's a way of dangling around in the air and it gets you places.
Look, the 100 sign.
Yeah. Yeah.
That's practical.
So we've just seen that Boardwalk is at gate number 10. That's where our bus is going to come.
That's where it is, so I think.
Yeah, it's waiting there, but I think we're gonna miss it.
Where are we?
Where are we? Well, we are here at our next stop, Yacht and Beach Club. Woohoo! There you go. There we go. And it's a lovely place. Look at that. And especially not. It's equally as nice when it's dark. Yacht Club. Yeah.
You know what this reminds me of?
Yeah.
Like the entrance to Newport Bay.
Yes, it really does. And he means Newport Bay Club in Disneyland Paris. Very similar feel to that one.
And you know why?
No.
Because it is based off of this.
Is it? Was it based off that one? Yeah.
Yeah, Yacht and Beach Club is the inspiration for Newport Bay Club.
We should
From
stay here
whatever.
one day.
Yeah?
It would be nice.
We should like compare it to no, I forgot what it is.
Yeah, Newport Bay. But I think this one will win because Newport Bay Club needs a refurb. Because it's a bit
Newport Bay
lived.
Club was also really good though.
Yeah, it is. Very, very nice. So let's go and have a look at the inside.
Disney's Yacht Club Resort. Yeah, that smells good.
Smells amazing. go.
This place is pretty.
So pretty.
BEA beautiful.
BEA beautiful.
I heard there were some like really nice pools here.
There are. But let's go and have a look at the boardwalk now. Because that's why we're here. We're here for the boardwalk and the dangleway.
Dangleway. It's really like nice and like bright.
I was just going to say it's a very Floridian balmy evening.
Yeah.
It is, isn't it? It's very lovely.
Very lit up.
Lit up, I think.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah. There we go.
Welcome aboard the Disney Skyliner at Epcot International Gateway. We're flying to Disney's Riviera Resort with a final stop at Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort. We hope you enjoyed your visit to Epcot and World Showcase. Did you learn how to say hello in a different language today? This charming lakeside resort offers magical lounges, enchanting restaurants, and live entertainment on the boardwalk every evening.
Mama, kijk eens achter.
Por favor, permanezcan sentados hasta que las puertas se abran rápidamente. En la cabina, por favor, cuide a sus pequeñitos, reúna sus pertenencias y observe sus pasos.
So Monkey,
Hi.
do you want to tell people where we are?
We are at Disney's Riviera Resort.
And how did we get there?
We used the dangleway
Yeah, so
from your club.
Yacht Club, yes,
Yeah.
from Epcot really, huh?
Yeah.
So we took the bus, so we parked at Disney Springs, took the bus to Yacht Club, did a little walk, and then, watch out, did a little walk, took the dangleway, and now we're here. And now we need to go and sit down with a cocktail.
This is a very beautiful resort.
It's very, very pretty, let's show you.
Only for DVC though, which is a bummer.
Look at that.
Even the entrance
It's beautiful, isn't it? Look at the Peter Pan here, look.
is London follows us.
Very, very nice. Let's see. Which one the lobby is? It's that one.
This really like captures the feeling of a Disney resort.
It's beautiful, isn't it?
Yeah. You've even got
That's the
fancy
pool.
sunset.
And then if you go this way, you can see in the far distance Caribbean Beach Resort.
A very colourful resort.
No, that's the monorail, isn't it?
And that's the Dangaway. And then we go this way. So that's all the colourful stuff over there. And then we go this way.
Make me think it's Spain. It's cold.
So this is the quick serve. If you want to get and grab a bite to eat, you can go there. And then this is Bar Riva that's next to it, which is a really nice bar as well. It's very quiet today, that's nice.
Oh, and another pool.
Let's go and have a sit down. Hello, my lovely boyfriend with chicken all over his face. How's your snacky? So we're at Bar Riva at the moment, and we're having some drinkies and some snackies. So what are you having, Henry? What is it?
It's free.
Yeah.
Red.
Oh yeah, nice. And Oma had the same thing. And Papa Moose and I, we had some chimkin with some chipotle sauce. It's nice, isn't it?
Very nice.
Yeah, they're very nice. And I also have a tiramisu, and it's got a Mickey on it. And I got a cocktail, the Coco di Paradiso. Very, very tasty.
Ears first with that.
Oh, that's hard. I know. Can you film me?
I need it.
Okay, you need a tissue.
I'm not letting Papa film you.
You film me, do ears first.
Yeah.
There you go. You see? Yeah. It's a medallion. Ears first.
And now the ear is gone. Oh no.
It's sticky business.
Yeah.
I'm going to try the tiramisu.
Ooh, let's see. Mama Moo's rating of the tiramisu. Yeah, I think that means it's good.
It is good. It's very, very nice. Well done. Papa Moose. Papa Moose.
Yes.
Where are you taking us?
To the lobby.
To do what?
To sign her up for DVC, I don't know.
I should have said to infinity and beyond.
Wrong resort. Wrong resort.
No, right
Or
resort.
to get to the bus.
Yeah.
So we can get back to Disney Springs and pick up the car.
Yeah, exactly. So that's what we've been doing. We've been doing a bit of resort hopping. Animal Kingdom, from Animal Kingdom to Disney Springs. That's not a resort, but yeah.
Yeah.
And then we took the bus to Yacht Club. Oh,
That was loud.
that was a helicopter. Oh, can you smell it? That smells so nice. Now, where's Oma? There she is. Hey, Oma.
I'm coming.
Yeah, yeah. We have to go to the lobby, and the lobby is right there. Right, where are we going? The lobby. Show the peoples the lobby.
This is a pretty one, I have to say. Even though it's a smaller lobby.
Can I just say that the carpets are already being worn out, and this this hotel has been like what, 2 years old? Oh, Kim, Do we need to show Oma Walt Disney's hat? And we haven't even shown the YouTubers, the vloggers. No, not the vloggers, the subscribers.
Oh.
Walt's hat. Head.
So, is it a-
Hat. Sorry? We'll have a look. Let's go and have a look. Yes, it's open. Hopefully nobody's sitting there, because otherwise it's a bit tricky. Someone's sitting there. Come on, Oma. This is Walt's hat.
There it is.
And an original Mickey Mouse.
And picture of Walt doing that.
There you go.
Who's that?
Walt Disney.
Oh yeah. That's very cool.
And this is the lobby. And then off the lobby you have La Boutique, which is... I see my most favorite suitcase. Oh my goodness, it's lovely. Let's go and have a look. Papa Moose is taking us on a journey again. Are you doing the journey? Huh? This is the entrance. How beautiful. Yeah. Oh, and then Oma, look on the left. Let's go and have a little look if we can see anything. We will go and see it later. You'll see it on another vlog. I think it's just done.
I can shoot that. Yeah, it just finished.
Oh look, and there's a... There they go.
Helicopter.
Yeah.
The lights are still going on.
Yeah, but I think they might actually be done now. Oh no, they're not.
This is actually quite a good view.
This is not bad. I think we have to go that way. Yeah. Kim, this way. And then up.
Well,
Yeah. We were already saying it seems like Disney Springs is already in a Christmas mood. Not that I mind it, I'm not saying anything. I love it. Now we're going to try and find the car. And then we were home. We drove back from Disney Springs just now and I hopped into my PJs and I crawled into bed. That's how tired I am. Last night we had a really long night at Halloween Horror Nights, and it was nice, you know, to come home then as well. But yeah, we've had a long day and a long day yesterday. And my battery is nearly finished. So I'm going to say night night. Sleep tight, don't let the bed bugs bite, and thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed this vlog, and we will see you real soon. Take care, bye.